Time's homework club finished?
I don't know, I think about 4. So what are you like looking at?
Some sport activities.
What are you looking at?
Maths.
I really need to catch up on my English. Can't you guys hear that girl crying?
Hear what? What are you on about?
Are you guys coming tomorrow?
Yeah, we might.
Okay, bye, see ya.
Bye.
It doesn't matter who she is, and I don't know you.
It's me, Abdullah.
Come on, I don't know him, let's go.